In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a board on monday.com. Archiving a board is a great way to keep your workspace tidy without losing any information. It hides the board from your active view, preserves all data and updates, and lets you bring it back later if you need it. Think of it as putting a project in a safe, organized storage area rather than deleting it. First, head to monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if your organization has multiple workspaces or teams. You may need to be the board owner or have the right permissions to archive a board. So if you don't see the option later, check with your admin or the board owner. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where your boards live. You'll see your workspace sections and a list of boards you have access to. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the board you're looking for by name. Opening the board first can make the next step a little clearer. With your board selected, find the three-dot menu, often called the More Actions menu. You can access it in two common places, at the top of the board near the board's name and star icon, or directly from the sidebar by hovering over the board name. Click those three dots to open the board actions. In the menu that appears, choose Archive. Monday.com will usually display a confirmation prompt, so you don't archive something by accident. Confirm the action. The board will disappear from your active board list and all its content will be safely stored in the archive. A few helpful tips before we wrap up. Archiving is different from deleting. Archived boards can be restored, while deleted boards may require extra steps to recover. If you need to bring a board back later, open your account or profile menu and look for archived boards, or use Search Everything and filter for archived items. From there, you can restore the board and it will reappear in your workspace just as you left it. If you collaborate with a team, it's a good idea to let people know you're archiving the board so they're not surprised when it's no longer visible in the active list. That's it. You've learned how to sign in, find your board, open the More Actions menu, and archive the board safely. Keep your workspace clean, reduce clutter, and still keep everything accessible when you need it.